Paul Ross presents 15 Warren Avenue Bayswater. Calling first home buyers, downsizers and investors. Enjoy modern day everyday living in this well-presented 2014 built Ventura home. With a great floor plan, at the heart of the home is the modern stylish kitchen, featuring a large island breakfast bar and stone bench tops. 4 carpeted bedrooms with robes, with a walk-in robe and an ensuite in the main bedroom. The main bathroom is complete with a separate bath and glass screen shower. The separate lounge or theatre room is at the front, and the open-plan main living and meals area leads out to the fantastic alfresco, the perfect entertaining space. From the double garage you have a shopper's entry and access to the backyard via a side door. This home is a short walk to the Bayswater train station, local cafes and parks. You are also close to the Perth CBD, the river and both domestic and international airports. Don't miss this surprise modern package on Warren Avenue Bayswater. For more information, a personal viewing or for everything real estate, contact Paul Ross on 0428 571 050.